Assam Cabinet Minister and Regional Committee Chairman Piyush Hazarika, along with Deputy Chief Minister and Regional Committee Chairman Snyao Bhalangdhar, paid a joint visit to the interstate border area of Khanduli on Wednesday and held a meeting there. Notably, members of the two regional committees formed by the Assam and Meghalaya governments respectively to resolve the border issue between West Karbi Anglong district of Assam and West Giant Hills district of Meghalaya visited the disputed Khanduli area for the first time on Wednesday. Both the chairpersons of the regional committees received memorandum from the representatives of the local people, parties and organizations from the two states.
Yes, I will see from the country especially what are the demands and what are the views. So my duties as a chairman of the committee now, I will submit the report for inspection today to our honorable chief minister. And the same thing from the Assam, so they will do the same thing. And then when the committee at the state level of both the chief minister, so then they will take a call how to move forward. And like how chairman from the Assam, as I mentioned just now, obviously we are doing, maybe the committee will decide. The official team will visit all the areas of defense from the particular village and we will take a view from the people who reside in that area and then we will take a call against.
Meghalaya State